Welcome to the video tutorials section for eHRAF World Cultures. I'm Elisa Jordan, and I'll be your guide. In this video, you will learn how to conduct a basic keyword search in eHRAF World Cultures, including filtering and understanding search results. Basic search attempts to match any terms that you enter against the tradition and subject thesauri used by eHRAF in order to automatically display the most relevant results. The work of finding and matching terms is done behind the scenes. If you prefer to select from lists of traditions and subjects, or if you want to exclude certain keywords, try Advanced Search. First, it's important to remember a few do's and don'ts for keyword searches. Let's start with the do's. Check the box to the right of the search box if you want to search for the exact keywords, but not for subject categories. To search for an exact phrase, do put the phrase in quotation marks. Use an asterisk for a wildcard. You can also place an asterisk at the end of the character string if you want to search for other word forms containing those characters. If you know the 3 to 4 digit OCM identifier, enter it here, and reserve more complex searches for advanced search. And for the don'ts, don't use hyphens and don't use wildcards with short and common text strings that are often prefixes for unrelated words. For example, don't use a wildcard after a word like art, which can return results for artifact, arthritis, and other diverse keywords not related to your topic of interest. Simply search the word art or arts instead. Now let's go back to the basic search. Let's say I'm conducting a cross-cultural survey on the ritual use of hallucinogens, but I'm also interested to know, in general, what eHRAF World Cultures has on hallucinogens in society. I'll type hallucin asterisk into the search box, covering both hallucinate and hallucinogen, as well as the plurals. Execute the basic search and we'll arrive at the region and culture results page. Let's let it load and sort for a moment. You'll see finished at the top, followed by a summary of the total number of results when it's ready. Beneath the tally, you can find a link to show or hide a detailed view of your search query. Next, you will find an expandable menu for filtering search results by subsistence type and sample, if you so choose. We'll cover that in just a moment. Note that search results are organized by world regions, leaving out those regions which don't have cultures matching your criteria. Each region has a tally of results next to the name, and you can expand that region by clicking the arrow to see culture results in detail. When you click on it, a table will expand beneath the region header, which shows results according to culture name and subregion. You will also see the culture's subsistence type, OWC identifier, relevant sample, if applicable, and a tally of your search results. You can sort these tables by clicking on any of the column headers. If you are ready to look at some of these results in more detail, you would just go ahead and click on any of the culture names or results links to go straight into the documents and paragraphs that match your search terms in that culture. On this preliminary search results page, you can also filter your search by subsistence type or sample type. First, click on Narrow Results by Subsistence Type and Sample to refine your search. eHRAF researchers have already classified the subsistence type for each culture represented in a collection. Our subsistence categories in eHRAF World Cultures are as follows: hunter-gatherers, primarily hunter-gatherers, pastoralists, horticulturalists, intensive agriculturalists, agro-pastoralists, other subsistence combinations, and commercial economies. You can hover your mouse pointer over the labels in eHRAF to read the subsistence and sample type descriptions. For more information, see the subsistence types tutorial in eHRAF video tutorials. The samples available in eHRAF World Cultures include the probability sample files, PSF, the standard cross-cultural sample, SCCS, and the simple random sample, SRS. To narrow your results, click the boxes beside the relevant subsistence or sample types. The search results below will be automatically filtered to match your criteria. That's it for the basic search tutorial for eHRAF World Cultures. For information on how to navigate the full context view of search results, as well as print and email search results, check out the full context view of search results tutorial. Check out our other tutorials and stay in the loop or contact us by checking out our homepage and linking up with us on Facebook and Twitter.